is your lesson yesterday? Can you do it? Sounds good. Today, we will learn about adding fractions. Please watch and enjoy learning. Thank you.
Adding fractions with different denominators. Last time, when we added fractions that have a common denominator, we learned that we keep the denominator and just add the numerators. That's easy enough. This time, we'll add these fractions with different denominators. Here's a diagram to represent each fraction. And you can see that if we add these together using the diagrams, this is what we get. 1, 2, 3 quarters. Let's save that up here on a note. We can also add these fractions without using diagrams. The first step is to make it easy for ourselves. It's easy to add fractions that have the same denominator, so we make it easy by creating a common denominator for these fractions. You've seen me do that before, you've done it yourself, you know what to do. We've got denominators of 4 and 2. Our common denominator is going to be 4. To get a denominator of 4 here, we multiply by 2. So we do the same to the numerator. And that's 2 over 4. Now it's very easy. We just add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3. Keep the denominator and we're all done. 3 quarters, just like you saw when we did this problem using the diagrams. You can see we don't have to use a diagram. We can make a common denominator instead. That's easy enough, isn't it? Let's do a couple more to make sure you're okay with this. And obviously, there will be a bit more thinking in each of these because I don't want you falling asleep if you think it's too easy. First, we look at the denominators. We've got 2, 3 and 6. If you know your tables, you'll spot that 2 and 3 are both factors of 6. So 6 is the lowest common denominator. 5/6 stays as it is. For 2/3, to get a denominator of 6, I multiply 3 by 2. So I multiply the numerator by 2, and that's 4 over 6. For 1/2, to get a denominator of 6, I multiply the 2 by 3. So I multiply the numerator by 3. 3 over 6. I can write my answer's denominator straight away. Our final fraction will be something over 6. And now we just have to add the numerators. 5 plus 4, that's 9, plus 3, that gives us 12 over 6. That is an improper fraction, and we can't leave it like that, so we have to work it out. 12 divided by 6. How many 6's are there in 12? There's 2 lots of 6 in 12. There's no remainder, so there's no fractional parts to show. Our answer is just 2. When we add these fractions, we get a whole number in our answer. Cool! One more, and then it's over to you, because I think you're ready to go on this stuff. Check out this one. Look at the denominators. 3, 6 and 8. These don't work together. The 8 doesn't fit with the 3 and 6. For this one, we're going to have to change all of the denominators to get that common denominator that we need. 3 is a factor of 6, but not of 8, so I'm going to multiply 3 and 8 together to make the lowest common denominator. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 is in the 6 times table. 3, 6 and 8 are all factors of 24, so 24 is the lowest common denominator. To turn 3 into 24, we multiply by 8, so do the same to the numerator. To turn 6 into 24, we multiply by 4, do the same up top. And to turn 8 into 24, we multiply by 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now we just add the numerators. 15 plus 4 is 19. Add in the 8, that's 27. 27 over 24. It's an improper fraction, and we can't leave it like that. We have to change it to a mixed number. There's one lot of 24 and 27, and there's 3 left over. Put that back over the denominator of 24. Notice anything? Can we go further? Can we simplify this fraction part? Yes, we can. If you can reduce, you must reduce to get your final answer. 3 and 24 are both in the 3 times table, so we divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and how many 3s in 24? 8 3s are 24, so our final answer is 1 and 1/8. Now it's time for you to go and put this into action as you keep building your math muscle. Next time in the fractions playlist, we'll be subtracting fractions.